Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a happy mail from Dory's Dollies. Dory is a personal friend of mine, and I enjoy her humor, her doll knowledge, and most of all, her conversation. She sent this to me, and I'll say it to you again. When you get a happy mail, there's more than what comes in the box. There was the thought to put it together, the time it took to get it all ready to ship, and the money it cost to get it to you. And most people take a trip to the post office before sending. Oh my God, and that's the other thing about Dory. Her art is incredible. 1972, how cute is that? Well, what I'm saying is she made it look like a 1972 Blythe. Hi Marnie, you're always doing so much for me and I wanted to return the favor. I made the dolls in costumes by hand and jointed the skeleton so he can pose and eat. Wow! I thought he looked cute tied up to the train I picked out for Darren. Oh, you are so sweet. All my love, hugs and kisses, Dory and Andrew. I love the card. Oh, I shouldn't have read it though. I could have been, I can't wait to see. Oh, Dory, you are such a sweetheart. Oh, look at this. Let me set this to the side. Ah! Don't break the unreveal of what's in the background, the mess. Oh, look at that. And I was thinking, Dolls Gone Goth is doing Ghoul dolls this month. And I was thinking, I don't really have a Ghoul doll. Oh my God, wait till you see this. Oh, Dory. He's going off the rails on the crazy train. Oh my God, this is so cute. We'll leave this out all year. Promise you, we will leave this out all year. Oh, he's got googly eyes. Oh, and a little N-scale engine. Oh, that is so cute.
Thanks, guys.
Let's
Set that up in the N scale.
We're going to put that on the shelf. How cool is that?
I'll put it on the little layout there.
Oh, yeah.
We have a little N scale layout on the building here under the TV, and we have all kinds of Christmas trains.
Little shoes, how cute. Oh, and a mask. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, look at the beret. Pumpkin style. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, God, that is so cute. Dory, you are so clever. You are so clever. Dory made a little clown from, oh, wait, something fell. Let me get it. Oh, Dory. Oh my God, it looks like a Dory doll. Oh, I love this. You are so clever. Now, you know, I love a doll with a Wednesday looking theme with a headless doll to go with her. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. Oh my God, is this for you or for her? I think this is for her or this guy. I don't know. Let me see, because look. That looks like, you know what? That's for a Blythe. That's a separate outfit for a Blythe. I just want to make sure everything's out here. Dory. Let me show the back. Absolutely love this. I love the fabrics. I recognize that. This hair you did so well. Oh, I love you, my friend. I love this doll. I love this stuff. I cannot thank you enough. And yes, we're going to be seeing these again on the 13th for Dolls Gone Goth Ghoul Dolls. Thank you for watching, Dory. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.